Hello everyone. Before you get into the spelling activity for today, it's going to be important for you to listen to the spelling words in the previous video because of the activity that we're going to do regarding these words. So after you've listened to the words in the first video on this page, you're going to click the link at the bottom of this page to open a blank Google Doc. After you do that, you're going to title that Google Doc with your name and 10.6 spelling. Then your job is to highlight the silent consonant, so the letter that's not pronounced in each word. The last thing you're going to do is share your Google Doc with me, and then I'll give you feedback on your assignment. If you're not sure what to do regarding the assignment, like how to get your page set up and all of that, stay tuned for the final video on this page because I will show you exactly how to get your assignment started and how to share it with me. All right, I'll catch you in the next video.